Welcome to Bloomfield Biomechanics. We're based in Durham, in the heart of Norfolk. My name is Sue Clipson and I'm a musculoskeletal podiatrist. I work in a multi-practitioner therapy centre alongside other podiatrists, a physical therapist and an acupuncturist. Although most of our patients are Norfolk-based, many travel from North Suffolk and Cambridgeshire, as the clinic is easily accessible with excellent parking facilities. Our patients range in age from 9 to 90, some are very sporty, but many are just people experiencing pain in their feet and limbs. I've been treating gait and lower limb problems for over 10 years now. In the past 18 months, we have developed a large biomechanics suite, which is dedicated to gait and motion analysis. We have a custom-built runway containing an embedded RS-scan Footscan system. This space enables me to accurately assess walking and running problems, and patients feel really comfortable here. I am really excited to have introduced Phits 3D printed orthotics to Bloomfield Biomechanics. For me, it completes our treatment programme, as the orthotics are fully tailored to each patient and their unique dynamic gait analysis. Phits are less than half the weight of traditional orthotics and can be specifically designed to cater for your footwear. Successful treatment is about working together with the patient. I always begin with a discussion as to what the patient wants from the process. This is followed by a physical examination of their locomotion. Every patient receives a video analysis and Footscan assessment to investigate any asymmetries or abnormalities in their walking or running. At all times, the goal is to improve movement efficiency and reduce or remove pain. I like patients to feel that they understand what is going on with their feet and limbs, and I will spend time with them to discuss the Footscan data to achieve this goal. Patient experience and education is the key. Where exercise and massage therapy can be used to help the patient further, we can work together closely with our physical therapy team to optimise the recovery process. If you would like further information or are interested in booking an appointment at Bloomfield Biomechanics, please call our reception team on 01362 698 932.